Okay, 18 through 20. 18 says sketch the graph of the exponential function. Does the function represent growth or decay? Again, the number inside the parentheses tells me growth or decay. If it's between 0 and 1, it's a decay. If it's greater than 1, it's a growth. So 0.75 is between 0 and 1, so that tells me it's a decay. And again, the only point I'm really concerned about you finding is when x is 0. So if x is 0, anything taken to the 0 power is 1. So it's 1 times 3. So y is 3. So my y-intercept here would be 0, 3. And since it's a decay function, it means it starts up and then kind of flattens. Again, it's a curve. This isn't necessarily meant to be a line, but so again, as long as you get the y-intercept correct, understand growth and decay, I'm okay with that. 19. The population of sea monkeys is currently 876 and increasing at a rate of 12% per year. Predict the population of sea monkeys 9 years from now. So again, we're using the population growth function, which is p of t equals p of 0 times 1 plus r to the t. So in this case, my population would equal the initial population, which is 876, 1 plus, and again we do the percent as a decimal, so 12%, move the decimal 2 to the left, would be equal to 0.12, and we're figuring that out in 9 years from now. So again, I would just plug that directly in my calculator like that. So 876 parentheses 1 plus 0.12 parentheses to the 9th power. So the population would be 2,429.2, and if you want to round it, you can. It says round to the nearest whole number, so it'd be 2429. Again, I'm not too concerned about the rounding. Last problem is dealing with compounding interest. So we're using the formula A of t equals p times 1 plus r over n to the nt power. And again, that stands for, the p stands for the principal, or the amount I'm investing, which in this case is $3,500, times 1 plus the rate, 2.5%, move the decimal 2 to the left, would be 0.025. So 0.025 divided by, I'm compounding it monthly, so I'm compounding it 12 times to the n, which is 12, and I'm doing it for 25 years. So if I want to put this in a calculator, I can do 3,500 parentheses 1 plus 0.025 divided by 12. And I would probably go ahead and take 12 times 25 just to make sure your calculator calculates it correctly. And 12 times 25 is 300. So my new balance would be 6,534.61. And it says round to the nearest hundredth because we're dealing with money here.